Lighting is the heartbeat of any great animation, especially when music is involved. In this video, I'm going to show you how I took a play music animation scene and completely transformed it using cinematic lighting in iClone. We started with the front lighting, carefully angled to make the characters dance sharp, expressive and full of energy. Every beat of the music had to shine literally. Then come back lighting, that subtle glow around the edges that make the character pop off the background. This obviously is how you separate flats from cinematic lighting. But music animation is about the whole experience, not just the subject. So we lit up the entire environment. And to seal the mood, we adjusted lighting effect and post-processing, adding depth, atmosphere and tone. This isn't just lighting, it's storytelling with shadows and highlights. If you've ever wanted to bring your 3D animations to life through rhythm, light and emotion, this is your moment. You want to learn more? Join the full course in Udemy or Skillshare now and enjoy 30% off for a limited time. Let's light up your animation